1979 High School Boys 4x100 meter International Championship.
Go Wolmers!
In lane 1, Seton Hall Fred from New Jersey. In lane 2, Blacksburg from Virginia. Lane 3, Bishop McNamara.
Jamaica!
In lane 4, Cardinal Hayes of New York. In lane 5, Woodbury Forest of Virginia. In lane 6, East Brunswick of New Jersey. In lane 7, Wolmers Boys of Jamaica. In lane 8, St. Augustine of Bahamas. And on lane 9, St. John's of the Bahamas.
Yes, sir. Wolmers, show them what you got.
Oh yeah, man. Smash it up, Wolmers.
Show them what you got, Wolmers.
This is the High School Boys 4x100 meter relay international presented by iHeartMedia.
What they sell out them there? What they sell out them there? Sell out. Whoa, Paul, fly the flag here. Whoa, Paul, draw for the big flag. The big flag there.
You got the big flag.
You got that little flag.
Yeah. Take out the big things. Big things. There you go.
Seton Hall Prep, Blacksburg, Bishop Mac, Cardinal Hayes, Woodbury Forest, East Brunswick,
Come on, Wolmers!
St. John's.
Wolmers! Come on, Wolmers!
St. John's of the Bahamas in the red over black out in lane 8.
Come on, Wolmers! Come on, Wolmers! JC's in this. Oh, 4x8. 4x8.
This is
Oh yeah? Sense of killing coming on.
It's the last guy.
Oh, on the red. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? In 1964, participants from Kingston College first traveled and competed in the Penn Relays. Ever since that first relay victory, Jamaican athletes continue to represent their country at the Penn Relays and around the world in the sport of track and field. Jamaicans have competed at the Penn Relays before, Olympic gold medalists include George Roden, Herb McKinley, Don Quarry, Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson, and of course Usain Bolt. Their competitive fire and resolve for greatness embodies the spirit of the great country from which they were born. Today, the Penn Relays would like to celebrate the great country of Jamaica and its 60th anniversary of independence. And then it also has a special home here at the Penn Relays. The athletes and players have done so much to make this remarkable experience so unforgettable.
Yeah, like two.
In that spirit, for your home ground,
Jamaica, can it run it now?
to the infield, with the Penn Relays, the University of Pennsylvania, the City of Philadelphia, and the Consulate General of Jamaica in New York, graciously welcome Jamaican Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness.
That's him over there.
Minister of Culture, Entertainment, and Sport. Ladies and gentlemen, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness.
Thank you very much. It is good to be in the lovely city of Philadelphia. Thank you for your welcome and the reception. Track and field is part of Jamaican culture.
Yes!
And we do well in it.
That's what I'm
And we have been participating in the Penn Relays for almost as long as we have been an independent nation. It is now our 60th year, and we have basically adopted the Penn Relays as our racing. I therefore want to commend the University of Pennsylvania for putting on these races and for always embracing Jamaicans who participate, and indeed all the other islands in the Caribbean who participate.